Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Farid bin Najmuddin. In this video, I will be presenting recipe for you an Android application using web scraping. Before we proceed with the presentation, these are the author and co-authors of this paper. We are from University Technology Mara Perak Branch, Tapa campus. Cooking is a basic thing to do in daily life. Preparing menus may require people to search and think for suitable recipe according to their preferences, or maybe they are searching for a new recipe to try. Traditionally, recipes can be obtained through printed mediums such as cooking magazines or books. As the technologies improved day by day, the technologies such as the internet and the combinations of smartphones give people an easy way to browse and access information at their fingertips. Despite of the plenty recipes provided, most of the apps or web cannot provide or recommend recipes according to the user preferred ingredients. Besides, the apps and websites, as mentioned, only focus on Western and some Asian cuisine recipes. Based on the problems we have mentioned in previous slides, we came up with three objectives. First is to develop a new mobile recipe application using web scraping framework, where this application is expected to suggest recipes based on the user's preferred ingredients, to include Malaysian dishes recipe with English and Malay language selection option, and finally to conduct a survey on apps acceptance test. This is to obtain users' feedback and to ensure the app functioning as intended. This is the project architecture. We have divided the system into three different tiers. The first one is user application tier, which provides the user interface for the user to enter keywords and obtain results. The second tier is the web server tier. The purpose is to perform web scraping, clean and filter data, and send the data into the database. And the third tier is database server tier, where all search keywords are stored here. The app's flow is as follows. First, user will enter their preferred or available ingredients into the text box, and then the keywords will be entered and sent to the website to search for the matching keywords, and then the system will copy the whole website search result page and the source code, and then it will extract name of the recipe, descriptions, image and link. Next, it will be cleaned to get the raw text, and finally it will combine and structures the text and displays the list of the recipes. Here are the methods used in the project. First, we use web scraping. It's also known as data mining and web harvesting. In this method, we use regular expression. As for recommender system, which is we use collaborative filtering approach. The recommender system is an information filtering technology where the user can search significant information. And for the third is mobile application. For this project, we use Android operating system, as it is the most preferable as compared to the iOS. In this project, we have conducted a survey on user acceptance. There are 89 respondents involved. The survey was divided into 4 sections. The first is an app installation. From the total of 89 respondents, 83 respondents have successfully installed the app on their Android smartphones, while 6 respondents or 7% were unable to install due to unsupported Android version. The second section is the user interface design. 71% of the respondents agreed that the app has a suitable interface. 80% agrees that it is user-friendly and easy to understand, and 82% are very satisfied on the function buttons used in the app. The third section is the app usability. 81% of the respondents were very satisfied that the app is accessible at any time and anywhere. 90% were very satisfied that the app helps them finding the local recipes. 83% were very satisfied that their recipe searching time can be reduced as compared to search them manually using search engines. And finally, 85% respondents were very satisfied that the app is able to recommend suitable and relevant recipes to them. For the overall development, 89% of the respondents were very satisfied. As for conclusion, even though the project has been successfully developed and all the objectives were achieved, there are some limitations for Recipe for You. Currently, users need to scroll down a long list of recipes list in the app. This can become troublesome if the list is too long and even can make the app becomes overload. Moreover, the next limitation is the lack of save or bookmark recipe feature. This feature is useful for users to save their search results. There are a lot of features can be added in the future, and perhaps it can help the user to get their recipe easily and based on their preferences. That's all from us. Thank you for listening.